Hello, I'm John Richards from Paladin Cloud, and today we're talking about the Center for Internet Security's Google Cloud Platform Foundations Benchmark. We're looking at recommendation 213, ensure cloud asset inventory is enabled. This recommendation covers GCP's projects. The CIS description is GCP Cloud Asset Inventory is services that provides a historic view of GCP resources and IAM policies through a time series database. The information recorded includes metadata on Google Cloud resources, metadata on policies set on Google Cloud projects or resources, and runtime information gathered within a Google Cloud resource. So we're making sure that the asset inventory is logging activity. The GCP resources and IAM policies captured by GCP Cloud Asset Inventory enable security analysis, resource change tracking, and compliance auditing. It is recommended GCP Cloud Asset Inventory be enabled for all GCP projects. By turning on monitoring, we can do security analysis and compliance using the logs from our projects. In the event of a breach, being able to sort out what happened is an important part of incident response. We have a policy within Paladin Cloud called Enable Cloud Asset Inventory. Paladin Cloud is an open source security as code policy engine that monitors your cloud environments for misconfigurations. Enable Cloud Asset Inventory is a security policy that checks GCP projects to be sure that the asset inventory logging is in place. Not having an asset inventory doesn't immediately cause a vulnerability, but it can hide misuse or complicate incident management. So we consider this a medium severity security violation. Now that we understand the risk, how can we audit it? Let's look at a couple ways. First, we'll do it via the GCP Console. We're going to go to the library section under APIs and services. To audit this recommendation, we'll check Cloud Asset API and verify it says API enabled. Pretty quick, but it's even faster via the command line. Google offers a cloud shell for running CLI commands right from the browser. We'll query our enabled APIs and make sure Cloud Asset is found. I filtered this to just the Cloud Asset API so we don't have to dig through a longer list. If it wasn't enabled, all we would have to do is go to the library section under APIs and services and find the Cloud Asset API and hit enabled. It would look like this. One way to avoid misconfigurations is to use a continuous monitoring platform like Paladin Cloud to automate detection. Paladin Cloud runs policies across assets, and those assets can be scoped by a custom asset group based on things like projects or cloud providers. I'll scope our session to just assets on GCP. The Paladin Cloud dashboard shows us metrics on policy violation severity, category, and quantity. Earlier, we learned that Enable Cloud Asset Inventory is classified as a medium severity violation. We'll find any of those violations here. Now, we're passing this, so it's not listed here as a violation, but we could pull up the specific asset to see the policies that run against it. And here we can verify that our project is passing this policy. Now, if this interests you, please check out the free open source repository for Paladin Cloud on GitHub and give us a star. Also, let us know if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks so much for watching.